So what about the baking income from transaction fees? Hi, my name is Phil Champagne of Hayek Lab, and this is Tez Minute. So today I want to talk about the baking income that comes from transaction fees. So it's not very important right now, and because there's barely any transaction that comes in every block. Tezos is not being actively used heavily right now. But as the importance comes of Tezos grows, therefore there'll be more transaction and therefore more transaction fees. When a baker bakes a block, creates a block, that baker collects all the sum of transaction fees that has been packaged into all those transactions as part of its rewards. Now, some bakers may or may not share those rewards with the delegators. That's a question that is not much asked right now, and the reason why is because it's not very significant in terms of the amount of rewards the proportion that of Tezos of the transaction fees are not that much significant. Nobody cares so much about it. But as the importance grows, that question will come up more importantly. So I want to front end that question and bring up in terms of for Hayek Lab, we have been sharing those transaction fees with our rewards as part of our rewards with our delegators. It's proportional to the total sum of rewards that we get. We share that proportionally with all of our delegators. And so just want to invite you to come and delegate at Hayek Lab, or if you want to participate in our bond pool, contact us. So take care and happy investing.